How would you like to get ungated for a whole host of brands without, and this is the key point here, without having to submit an invoice? If you're brand new to selling on Amazon, let me just tell you quickly what it means to get ungated. Amazon's system has what they call brand approval requirements, and it means that if you want to be able to sell certain products on their platform, you need to get approval. This is just Amazon's way of being able to ensure that the people who are selling on their platform are selling authentic goods. It protects you as the seller, it protects the buyers, and of course it protects the brands and their interests. And so when you first start selling, there will be restrictions on what you can sell. Now, don't look at this as a negative, because it's actually a really, really good thing. We look at it as an opportunity to get access to sell some of the top brands on the planet. Like I was saying, there are a few different ways in which you actually get approved to sell. The one that most of you will be familiar with if you've done any kind of selling on Amazon and you've come up against this brand approval requirement is the need to submit an invoice. So Amazon will say, hey, if you want to sell this product, you need to submit an invoice showing us at least 10 or more units. In some cases, we're now seeing them come through with the requirements for 100 units. So it will vary from one brand to the other, but ultimately, if you want to be able to sell certain products, you're going to need to go through the process of submitting an invoice. Now, this strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you today, we don't have control over which brands we get access to necessarily, but I'm going to share it with you because it's something that if you get it whilst it's available, then if they change the goalposts, they move the goalposts later on down the line, you've got a greater chance of securing the ungating in the future. As that form also requests, instead of an invoice, sometimes you can actually submit a letter of approval from the brand themselves. Now, I specialize in the online arbitrage reselling strategy, so we buy products from online retailers and in-person retailers, so we physically go into stores as well, called retail arbitrage. So I specialize in that business model. You know, there's the likelihood of us getting a letter of authorization from a brand is non-existent, so we don't even worry about that. We just deal in invoices. And the other type of gating that we're seeing more of nowadays is transparency codes. So some of you might be familiar with transparency codes, maybe not, but essentially it's an Amazon-led program where brands can register their brands with Amazon, get these little transparency codes. They're just a little tiny QR code that goes on the packaging of a product, and you basically need 5 of those QR codes to be able to get ungated. We're not going to get into that in this video, that's a video for another day, but that's another type of ungating. Number 4 is what's known as auto-ungating. So this is where we're able to actually get access to sell a brand or in a category without having to submit any information. So you may or may not know that with brands that require approval on Amazon's platform, they have behind the scenes some criteria. Now, they don't publish what that criteria is, we never know, but behind the scenes it might be that your account is a certain age, or that you've sold a certain value of products, or that you've sold a certain brand before, or that you sold in a category before a certain date. There's all sorts of criteria behind the scenes. Also, your account health is something that comes into it, and just so you know, account health, this is why this strategy that I'm going to share with you in this video is very effective, because one of the criteria that we know Amazon grades your account on is account health. And if your account is brand spanking new, like you've just opened it yesterday or today, your account health is perfect. There's no blemishes on it, no marks, nothing like that at all. And so your account health is perfect. And so that's why what I'm going to share with you here today is going to be very, very effective for some of you, even if you've got brand new accounts, because if the criteria for Amazon's approval is that you have perfect account health, well, then you're going to get these brands. So what we do is we go to Seller Central, and then we go to the main menu here, go to Catalog and Add Products. And that brings us to the List Your Products screen here. Now, this has changed quite considerably just recently here, but what we need to do is we need to type in a brand that we can use to search for. So I've got some brands up here ready to show you. I don't know what's going to happen with these brands in my account, but we're going to see what happens. Hopefully we get approved for some. There's a good chance we'll get requested invoices for others, but I'm pretty confident that in this demonstration we're going to get some of the brands here. And also there's a secret resource that we share with our clients I'll tell you more about toward the end of the video, how we give access to these types of brands that we've got here. And there's about 150 of them, 160 of them for UK, and then 130, 140 for the US. Anyway, what we do is we go to the search box here, and I'm going to start off with a brand called Victor and Rolf. Let me know if you're familiar in the comments with Victor and Rolf. It's a fragrance brand that my wife is very, very fond of, and at the moment I am currently not able to sell Victor and Rolf products. I require approval. I can see that there are 8 used and new offers on this listing, which tells me that it's possible to get ungated. If I can see other people selling it, it means that it's not restricted, it's not like hard gated or anything. There's a good chance that I'll be able to get ungated for it. I may have to submit an invoice. I really don't know what's going to happen here, but we're going to give it a try. So we select new condition from the drop down and then we click apply to sell. And then it will bring up this page here. So it says you need approval to sell Victor and Rolf branded in beauty category, so on and so forth. So what we need to do here is we click the request approval button. Now, let me just say before I click this button, like I said, I have no idea what's going to happen here. I may be instantly approved based on my account criteria, or I might have to submit an invoice. So we're going to click the button and see what happens. And then we're going to do the same with a few other brands. And any that I get ungated for, you'll be able to go through and do the same thing, right? So this is one of those examples of a brand that my account currently does not meet the criteria for, and there may not be any automated criteria. It might just be that this is a brand that's well protected and they want an invoice from the manufacturer. So in this particular instance, this is not one that I can get auto ungated for. So we can close that off. Now I have another example here. This is Too Faced, another beauty brand. So I can currently sell in one condition, but we have another condition that I can't sell in. So I'm going to click request approval on that and see what happens. So now Amazon's doing their kind of grading behind the scenes to see if my account meets the criteria to be approved. And you can see here that it says your selling application is approved. Congratulations, your selling application for Too Faced branded has been approved based on your performance history. So you can see I didn't submit any invoices there, I didn't submit any letters of authorization. Instantly I was approved for a pretty major brand in the beauty space. So right now, what I can do, let's say for example I'm a brand new seller, I just got ungated for Too Faced. I can go to Google, reverse search source this, see if I can find suppliers for Too Faced products, and I can start investing in and profiting from the Too Faced branded products, regardless of any gating levels that may have been in place before, because we've now been approved. So that's one brand that we've got, 1 out of 2. So let's see how we get on with the rest of them. Next we have Tassimo. They have these little containers that go into coffee machines. Anyway, so let's give this one a try. We'll click request approval here and see how we get on. Yes, there we go. So selling application approved, again based on my performance history. So like I'd said, please don't think that this is something like this account is an older account, right? But it doesn't matter. I will get approved for more brands than perhaps you will if you're brand spanking new, but all you need when you first get started is a few brands that you're ungated for. Because like I said, we work with over 1,000 people in the specific online arbitrage model. We work with lots of those people quite closely, and one of the biggest pieces of feedback that we get is when people are getting started that they can't sell products because they're gated. And that's why I wanted to do this video, because I wanted to show you that there are some brands that you can get ungated for, and then you can reverse search source them, which is a specific sourcing technique where we actually start with the product first and we see if we can find suppliers that sell these products at a discount. So there we go. We've got Tassimo and we've got Too Faced. So there's 2 we've got done. Now let's go with, I'm not sure how you pronounce this, but Strivectin. I don't know, may have completely got that wrong, but let's see how we get on with that one. So this is our 4th brand application, and once again, we have been approved based on performance history. So that's 3 out of 4. Not too bad at all. Let's see what we have next. Quest. This is Quest Nutrition, and once again, we've been instantly approved. So again, I'm in my UK account, so if you're in the US or you're in Canada, try these brands out for yourselves, but the criteria can often be different from one marketplace to another. But the point in me showing you this is so that you can go through, like go to Google and search, or ChatGPT or something like that, and search for a list of the top 200 brands. And it would be well worth your while spending a couple of days going through and putting these brands into Seller Central, just like I showed you here. Search for them, click on a product, then select new from the condition, apply to sell, and see if you can get yourselves ungated. So for Melissa and Doug there, for some reason there was an error that came up, so we'll skip over that one. And we have Kate Spade New York. Let's see how we get on with that one. We do require an invoice for this, so a slightly different screen where it tells us that we need to have an invoice that meets certain criteria, so we can move past that one. Next we have Diesel. Let's see how we get on for that. So once again, an invoice is required for Diesel. Crocs needs an invoice also. Cacharel, I'm not sure if if I pronounced that wrong once again, but we got auto approved for that based on my performance history. So we're a little over half the brands so far. BioCult, error has come up on that one. No problem, we'll go to Alexander McQueen. Alexander McQueen requires an invoice. Ahava we got automatically approved for once again. And the last example I've got is Agent Provocateur. That also needs an invoice for approval. But you can see there, I lost count of how we got on, but at least half of the brands that I attempted to get approved for, right there in front of you. I didn't do any work ahead of time. I just found some brands that I was unable to sell for and I needed to get approval for, and I thought I'd show you how quick and easy that was. So we've been on here like 13 minutes now on this video that I've been recording, and in that space of time I've gotten access to some of the top brands on the planet. Some of the biggest brands that have hundreds of products in Amazon's catalog that I could instantly start profiting from. So no matter whether you've been selling for years or you are brand new to the platform, try this method out. Let me know how you get on in the comments below. Perhaps you already know it existed, maybe you didn't, but hopefully this has given you it's inspired you to go away now and try and see how many more brands you can get Ungated for. If you did know it existed but you've forgotten, go try some new brands. Like I said, go get yourself a list, maybe from ChatGPT, of the top 200 brands in the US or top 100 brands in the UK or whatever it might be. Sit for a few hours and try and add the products and see if Amazon gives you automatic approval. And let me know in the comments what brands you get yourselves approved for, because one brand could be worth a lot of money to you. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe, because we've got loads more videos just like this one coming out very soon. And again, look forward to seeing you next time.